Yes, Thor. Now, I've been meaning to do this one for a while. Thor is a brilliantly drawable character. Lots of distinguishing characteristics. Great colours, good shapes. It's just an ideal one that lends itself to this sort of kawaii style, cuteness, kind of superhero-y drawing. So, yeah, been meaning to do this one for a while and looking forward to it. You can see from this point here, I mean, this looks terrible. I don't mind telling you. This is me live drawing, working out where all the bits are going to go. And I think at some points, your drawings will look bad when you're in the planning stage. This is where you're supposed to make your mistakes. So don't worry if your drawing is not quite as good as you want it to be at this point. Then just keep working on it. As you may be able to tell, I'm not using a perfect reference for this. A lot of it is just done from my imagination and mind about what looks right and what's going to be sort of a fun addition on this. It's only loosely based on the Thor character from the upcoming film. Was at this point I realised that Thor does not have a hammer in Thor Love and Thunder. He has a large axe. And so I had to remedy my drawing. Back to it. Really coming together now. I'm pretty pleased with the outlines that we've got going on here. Anyway, the new Thor film, depending on when you're watching this, it may already be out. It's July 2022 is the time that it is coming out. And pretty much the précis is Thor embarks on a journey unlike anything he's ever faced before. A quest for inner peace. However, his retirement gets interrupted by Gorr the God Butcher, a galactic killer who seeks the extension of the gods. Starting to look a lot more Thor-y now, isn't it? Getting the cape right, getting the hair right, that's the going to be some of the key features to get right for a Thor, I think, at this point.
soon.